helmet. So in the states we've been going to, I have to wear a helmet for loss. We stopped at the local GW. Got a $13 motorcycle helmet. I'm about to make this bad boy into a 3/4. How you do what? Your own tripod? Take it off? Oh. Anyway, so I already pulled off the screen holders, whatever, and starting to pull this plastic off, and then I'm gonna sand it. You have to use this certain pin. If any other pin won't work, it has to be a paint marker, Rocky River. It won't work otherwise. If you don't have it, you might as well just not do it. Just kidding. Take my scientific straight edge here and go along the sides of the helmet to line up with this. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to cut it and then we're going to sand it, bevel it down here at the end. See them stains on them? See all them stains? Let's take this. This is grade A duct tape there. It's the only way you have to use that kind of duct tape. You can't.
This is gonna be such a cute video.
If you don't use that video, if you don't use that kind of tape, you might as well just quit and quit. Go home. Just gonna get a dab. You gotta make sure you wash these real well, get all the lice out. Piss your old lady off because you wash these nasty ear pieces in her clean sink next to her dishes.
I was gonna say next to the
Wash them real good, real nice and good. Get some of her watermelon soap. I forgot to say you gotta cut. So this front piece for your visor you gotta cut off and make it the length or the size you need. So this was a big foam. You have to cut off to the size you need for your earpieces, and this is just garbage, especially this 1-inch sticker. No modifications. Now that glue's pretty much dry, I'm going to start installing back in the foam cap part. Now they're just finished, and I'm probably gonna get this pretty close to here, probably somewhere. Cut that out. It's got these retainer clips in here, clips to there, and it's got clips here to here. So I'll just cut this off. Enjoyed that video as much as I did making it. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and mash the subscribe. Alright, let's go outside and ride.